and welcome back to Libya Water Shortages Video 2. In this video, we will be talking about solutions to Libya's water shortage issue and to their water cleanliness issue.
As you can see on our whiteboard, our example here includes a physical filtration system. You can see that at the very beginning, there are big rocks. Then at the after the big rocks, it goes to small rocks, then to dirt, and then to sand with the cloth at the bottom.
Each layer filters out its own stuff. The larger rocks filter out large sticks and leaves. The smaller rocks filter out smaller sticks and twigs. The dirt filters out small bugs and some particles, and the sand filters particles trapped within the water. The cloth is a layer to make sure that the dirt, sand, and rocks don't fall through the water. There will be spigots on both sides so that people can collect water in buckets and bring it to their houses. There will be metal bars to strongly support these 250-gallon tanks.
Now, we need to figure out how to spread this water. We have created a solution that right here on this map you can see how the circles represent H2O tanks. There are going to be three 250-gallon H2O tanks that are going to be spread out around the village. And the triangles in this image are going to represent the houses. We're going to separate each of these H2O tanks evenly so that each house would have to walk too far to get this water. You may be wondering, where does all this water come from?
Well, our main source was going to be from their aquifer system, but other sources may include groundwater, the minimal rainfall, and water from ponds and swamps.
We are hoping that this could be installed by the government. Now, the question is, how will we persuade the government to make this?
Well, as you may already know, Libya has many diseases in their water, such as typhoid, mumps, hepatitis, and it can cause diarrhea. Many more diseases are in this water. The government doesn't want this for themselves or their people, so we'll persuade them by telling them that they'll have a cleaner, safer, healthier water source, and they can ensure that they won't have to play doctors and scientists as much to find cures for these new diseases.
Now, in all, spread throughout all three tanks, there will be 750 gallons of water.
Which means there's 250 gallons per tank. A portable example of these large tanks is 2-liter bottles. Once they're empty, you can insert the cloth, sand, dirt, rocks, and other materials needed. You can put a strap on top of the bottle so it's easy to carry and have a bucket below to catch the bug. This is an easy portable example of these giant bottles. This can be impounded faster and is much cheaper. Many people who don't have access to water can use these and get the water from their backyard swamps or ponds.
Now, let's talk about the price of all this. It seems like that all the 250-gallon tanks cost $1,920.
And to get 1,000 2-liter bottles for the portable ones, we found them really cheap for only $49. However, these will be imported from India.
The total in US dollars would be $1,096. The total in Libyan dinar would be $2,735.
That's not that much money, and based on how much money the Libyan government makes off of selling oils and minerals, they should be able to buy this no problem, and this will definitely help their two major water issues. Let's talk standards.
To begin with, Libya's water filtration system isn't even as close as it is to Denver.
Denver, Colorado has 5 steps to the water filtration process: fluctuation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection, and storage. These ensure that the water in Denver, Colorado will be clean and healthy.
However, only 2/3 of Libya's schools have clean potable water, which is really hard for them to drink.
Many kids get hurt and very sick from this dirty water.
As you can see here, this bucket contains a lot of musty, dirty water that has bugs, sticks, and leaves in it, which is therefore definitely not potable for anybody in Libya.
That's our before. And our after will hopefully be much less dirt from bugs, sticks, or leaves, which will make it more potable and cleaner for the people living in Libya. So you may be wondering, how will all this water get into the tanks in the first place? Well, our main idea is that we put a pump underground in the aquifer system that pumps the water up the side of the tank and into the filtration system.
But what if that idea does not work? Our two other ideas are desalination and rainwater for bathing. Desalination is a process where, let's say, if you take salt water and boil it, the water will evaporate and there will be no salt in the water particles, therefore making the water potable.
They could get this water from the Mediterranean Sea.
Our third idea is rainwater for bathing.
The people in Libya can collect rainwater even though they have not that much rain and use their minimal rainfall for bathing to help the water problem.
Thanks for watching.